Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So this is live price prediction of Dent coin, my brother, and definitely the price of Dent coin will increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and definitely this time, as you can see here, the last 3 days chart is on the screen. So 0.007316 USD dollar. This is the highest price. And you can see, my friend, the last 3 days you can see a minus 3.72%. Dent coin were lost now, but don't worry, my brother, after a fails every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my brothers, to Dent coin is also my friend will wake up after this fails now. So therefore you need, my brothers, to hold now. Let's see, my brothers, to what's the my friend upcoming time target of the price. So this time, my friend, our target is very cheap, my brother, and absolutely they will easily hit this target now. So it's very less target. The price target is, my friend, just in only 0.01 USD dollar, but this is possible if a short-term investor are starting holding now, because, my friend, this time also the short-term investor starting selling, so therefore the coin will fails down. So my opinion, my advice for all of you, to please hold. Otherwise, please research personally before you take any decision. But remember one thing more, my brother, I want to tell you, for all of you, this is very important to please, in those days, in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upward. So I think you will also need, my brothers, to hold. And definitely if you have any plan to invest more, so I think the price is very cheap, without any doubt buy. And I hope, my brothers, too, they will give you a profit at the end of month. Thanks for watching Dent coin holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.